Can you spot at least 3 differences between this outfit and this one? Okay, let's try again. What about this outfit and the one over here? You see, that's the problem. Most women clearly see when their outfits don't work, but they don't understand the reason why. And therefore, they're not able to fix it. In this video, I'm going to recreate 6 various summer outfit formulas my clients are wearing on repeat and make them look much better. How? I'm going to walk you through the entire styling process, so after watching this video, you'll be able to enhance your outfits straight away. What do you think of this outfit? Individually, each piece is nice, but together they don't work. Let me explain you why. Starting with the silhouette, the long blazer paired with a maxi skirt creates equal proportions, resulting in a long torso and short legs, also making the silhouette dull and not harmonious. If one of the items was straight and tailored, it could work, but both pieces are flared with the A-shapes, which makes me look heavier and gives them a trolly appearance, especially with contrasting pumps. The white belt on the black dress widens my waistline, another unwanted effect. And the bag come from different aesthetics and look too sleek and modern for this relaxed summer dress. Finally, the necklace creates a V-line that clashes with the halter neckline, adding to the busy look along with accent belt and earrings. 5 mistakes in one simple outfit. Okay, let's fix them. Step number 1. Remove the blazer. It's just too classic and stiff for the dress. We'll save it for another outfit. Step number 2, swap the white belt for a tonal one to accentuate the waistline and create better proportions without adding extra bulk. Step number 3, replace the classic pumps with Greek sandals. Flats just usually work better with maxi skirts and dresses, especially summer ones. Step number 4, exchange the structured hobo bag for a Rafia basket, which suits the dress better. Also changing the sunglasses to tortoise D-frames for a more harmonious look. And finally, step number 5, remove the necklace and keep only the earrings, which suit the neckline better. And there you go. Do you see the difference now? And by the way, all the gorgeous items I'm wearing today in this video are coming from the sponsor of today's video, the brand called Urban Revival, which I'm going to tell you all about just in a moment. And as promised, here is the blazer. I paired it with straight-fitted crew pants for a sleek and elegant look. The pumps from previous look, also from Urban Revival, work perfectly here as well. To finish off the ensemble, I add an accent. I included a Santon clutch with a golden buckle that complements the golden hoop earrings. And as you can see, it's not about individual pieces, but how you put them together that defines the total look and style. And talking about enhancing your outfits, making them look better, as you just saw in the previous looks, the big part of it is nailing this perfect silhouettes and fits that work for your unique height and proportions. And guess what? For those who are new to my channel, I got a little surprise. I have created a styling portfolio packed with very practical styling hacks and outfit ideas tailored to your height and figure that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and body shape, and you'll get it immediately in your email box. You will see an in-depth illustrated guide with the styling hacks I use for myself and my clients, also key winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear, and also some working outfit formulas for different occasions, again tailored to your height and body shape. Please don't forget to go to the link under this video, answer just a few questions, get the guide, and start using it as a key tool to enhance your outfits. Moving on to the next outfit, white leg trousers with a matching oversized shirt paired with white strappy sandals, a black structured tote, and rounded navy sunglasses. While there is nothing inherently wrong with this outfit, it is hard to call it stylish and put together. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is people using color as the main criterion for matching clothes, disregarding silhouette proportions and aesthetics of each item. Here we have 2 white fits, the pants and the shirt, in stiff fabric, creating a heavy, unfeminine silhouette. The dainty shoes are almost swollen by heavy bottom, and the hemline is just too short for these heels, making the legs appear shorter. The black structured bag adds to the heaviness and disrupts the tonal green color scheme, while sporty navy sunglasses just don't fit this minimalist outfit. Seems like we've got some work to do here. Step number 1, we need to balance out the wide leg bottom with a more fitted and tailored top. So I opted for this gorgeous waistcoat from Urban Revival. Step number 2, I swapped the sandals for off-white loafers, which harmonize better with the hemline and the style of the outfit. I opted for structured yet modern minimalist bags, selecting my favorite off-white bucket bag from the row, which also highlights the beautiful green tone of the trousers. And finally, I swapped the sunglasses for sleek, black minimalist ones that perfectly fit the outfit's aesthetics and create a smart finishing detail. Looks better, doesn't it? As for the shirt, which I love a lot, I paired it with fitted leather Bermuda shorts to create a more slim and sleek silhouette. I kept the sandals to give the outfit a feminine, elegant touch, and as for the bag, I decided to add more color by choosing a pastel blue lotus bag complemented by navy blue sunglasses. By the way, have you noticed that I kept most of the elements from the initial look? As you see, simply swapping a few items in your outfit to harmonize the silhouette, style and accents makes a huge difference. And that's what I call the magic of styling. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video. Again, the brand I'm collaborating for quite some time already. It's called Urban Revival. It's a ready-to-wear brand that delivers runaway-inspired trends at affordable prices. It is amazing how diverse and versatile their collection is, and it is updated weekly. When you go to their website, you can find pretty much everything from more timeless, classy, everyday staples to more fashion-forward designs. From all categories, from clothes to shoes and accessories. All the outfits I'm wearing today are from Urban Revival. And as usual, I'm leaving all the information about the styles I'm wearing, as well as the sizes and exclusive promo code for the discount for any of your purchases in the info box. Please don't forget to check it out after watching this video. Here is another summer outfit combo I often see on my clients. It doesn't look bad, in fact you can see some effort behind it, but it doesn't feel effortlessly chic. Why? Well, the key to a harmonious outfit lies in proportions. In this case, the long shirt combined with the long skirt creates an unflattering and boring silhouette. The crossbody bag adds bulk to the midsection and doesn't match with the rustic style of the skirt, nor do the black trainers, which shorten the silhouette and clash with the outfit style. Finally, the necklace, combined with earrings and layering, makes it look too busy and dated. We've got to fix it. It's quite easy. In fact, the key principle is less is more. Step number 1, to balance out the silhouette, I twisted the edges of the shirt and tucked them in, creating elongating 1/3 to 2/3 proportions. For a slightly edgy look, you can turn the shirt into a crop top, adjusting it to the length you feel most comfortable with. Step number 2, I also swapped the trainers for neutral slides and complemented the look with a Rafia basket, which perfectly matches with the rustic style of the outfit. Step number 3, I kept the earrings and removed the necklace. And finally, step number 4, to inject a statement accent, I opted for oversized aviator sunglasses to finish off the look. I love the final result. Stylish yet feminine and comfy. What do you think? From maxi to midi skirts, this combination is frequently seen in workwear outfits, a long blazer paired with a midi skirt complemented by black tote and matching sling bags. Well, you can call it classy and even minimalist, but it really lacks elegance and harmony, largely due to the silhouette and proportions. Once again, the ensemble emphasizes a long torso and shorter legs, quite boring silhouette, accentuated by contrasting shoes and a large black tote against an all-white outfit. Step number 1, swapping the long blazer for a short biker jacket from Urban Revival. I just love the contrast between the edgy biker fit and the delicate satin fabric with a metallic finish, making it super stylish and chic. Step number 2, swapping the slingbacks for sandals to give this classic skirt a more modern and relaxed vibe. To avoid contrasting shoes that could visually cut my legs and shorten them, I added a black top to draw the eye upwards and create the illusion of height. Step number 3, adding a statement zebra clutch to introduce boldness to the outfit. Lastly, adding minimalist black sunglasses to finish off the look. Looks totally different, doesn't it? And it is just incredible how even small adjustments in clothing and accessories can completely transform your look. For a more casual yet elegant option, I swapped the biker jacket for a knitted polo top and the heels for comfy loafers. I accessorized it with a bucket bag and turquoise sunglasses, creating a classy daytime outfit with the same skirt. As you see, it's all about finding the right balance and harmony between the elements to achieve a powerful and cohesive effect that reflects your mood and personality. And a little reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every single week. And also please follow me on Instagram at Diana_Goss to get even more outfit ideas and styling hacks on a daily basis. How would you rate this outfit from 1 to 5? I would rate it at 1. The vest is too long for the Bermuda shorts and the light tone at the bottom pulls down the look, shortening the silhouette. The bag with the long strap further contributes to the disjoint impression, making the overall look not lean, cohesive, or well put together. However, simply swapping the Bermuda shorts for pinstripe pants would instantly elongate the silhouette and create a more harmonious and streamlined appearance. Another improvement would be to add a layer underneath the vest and leave it open to create elongating vertical lines and add depth to the outfit. Finally, adding a Rafia basket would introduce a relaxed summer vibe and bring additional texture as an accent. Alternatively, a pop of color could replace the Rafia basket to provide an interesting focal point. Which option do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. As for Bermudas, which I love as an edgy alternative to skirts, I wanted to create a dressed-up, sleek yet effortless look, so I paired them with a loose-fitted waistcoat, gorgeous black satin pumps, and added a pop of burgundy with a bag to break up the black and white combo and add boldness to this outfit. Finally, I added gold-toned jewelry and sunglasses, and now I'm ready for my night out. Voila, that was it for today. I really hope that this video was inspiring and helpful for you and you go straight away to your closet to enhance your outfits and maybe come up with new ideas, who knows. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!